Okay, just a really quick update. I got to come home for a dentist appointment. So I flew in on Sunday evening at the dentist appointment this morning on Monday, and I'm flying out tomorrow to go to Oregon. But just really quick, I'll turn the camera around. Reiterating something from the last update, that wall and that wall extends out about 31 inches. And of course the rear speakers are going to mount between that wall and that subwoofer opening right there. And the same over here. But being an idiot, well, it's not really true. I'm not really an idiot. I haven't really achieved the level of idiot yet. But anyway, I made them too deep. They were almost 37 inches deep. So I trimmed them down, which I showed that in the last update. This scrap of MDF is actually the piece that the original parts for the rear speakers were cut out of. You can kind of see the pattern there. And then right there you can see one of the new pieces, another one there, and I got a couple more of them over there, all out of this same scrap that the original sides of the speakers were made from. And of course there's one of the back sections that I cut off. And then over here we have one that's got that new piece added into it. I've also redone the mounting hardware that's going to help to support when it mounts to the ceiling, so it doesn't fall on anybody's head or anything. So considering how short of a time I've had at home, pretty happy with the progress on that. The acoustic panels, I've been sanding those down. I've actually got black paint on 4 of them. You have to paint them. Otherwise, when you stretch the cloth over them, you can see the wood through the cloth.